is your girl Mimi, as you know. Okay guys, happy Christmas in advance. My viewers and subscribers, as you know, I love you. Happy Christmas again in advance. And this morning I decided to give you something, some healthy, nice breakfast, If you like the recipe, you can check it out and tell me how it is. So guys, we will be making breakfast this morning. Yeah. So, and I will just introduce my recipes one after the other. Okay guys, this is my egg in nest. Yup. And a spoon of flour. Yeah. So guys, as I was saying, I have my salt and maggi in already. So my pepper is going to go next. My fresh pepper. And my onions will go in, followed by my tomato, my spring onions, and green pepper together. Spring onions and green pepper together. Here you go, my carrot. And my cabbage up next. And guys, my Irish potato. And here we have a hot dog. Breakfast like this for your kids, for your husband, for yourself, those of you who are single, like me. This is also good for you because I am making this one for myself. And then mix. Yeah. Mix. And mix. And mix with the egg. And you know the rest. So let it simmer for about 5 minutes and then turn. So guys, I just turned it. Yeah, still on the process. Yeah. But still on the process. So guys, if you like this recipe and if you've watched till this time, just know that you have to subscribe to this girl. Subscribe to this family. What are you waiting for? Come on, guys. Okay. Stay tuned. The video is still on. So guys, this is the end of my video. And I'll just cut and eat. Yeah. So guys, this is how it is, the side. So, this is my portion. Yeah, my portion. Let me eat. Gosh. Guys, this is so good. Gosh. This is so yummy, guys. Follow this recipe, guys. You won't regret it. Come and thank me later. At this moment, you can eat this with with bread, rice, yam, anything. You can also eat it alone, just like me. Yeah, and I'm so enjoying it. So guys, this is where I'm going to cut this video for sure. And if you have watched up to this part, don't mind me. You know your girl like exaggerating. Yeah, but the video ends here. So guys, subscribe to my channel. You know your girl loves you. My viewers and my subscribers, my back-to-back subscribers, I love you guys. I appreciate all you've been doing for me. And I promise in return, I will be giving you back-to-back videos, different menus, different recipe of... and also, guys, you can also hit me on my comment section telling me the kind of food you want me to make. Yeah, like I said, I am very, very active in my comment section on YouTube, okay? So hit me up, tell me your mind. Sometimes tell me, okay, Mimi, this is what I want you to make. I want to see you make this, or even your recipe. You can even give me your recipe and I will make it. So guys, it's all about learning. We are here to learn. I learn from you, you learn from me, you know. It's a win-win at the end of this. So subscribe to this channel. That's all I'm asking. And it's a bye for now. I love you guys. I will be signing out. Bye.